Hey, I'm Mike Wang here. Welcome to 1A Palmerston Road.
Whoa. Mate,
Hey.
that wasn't the dialogue we discussed. Own title.
Yes, it is.
Ringwood location.
Of course it
Mate,
would.
bit of acting prowess, yeah? Come on, I'll get you into shape.
Okay.
All right, Mike, if I'm gonna be your acting coach, I'm gonna need to see a little bit of commitment to the process. It's no longer Mike, it's about creating a character.
Okay.
You're becoming
Yeah.
Mike Wang. Now drop and give me 20.
What? Andrew, where's your beanie?
Mike, we don't have time for beanies right now. We're here to turn you into a real estate agent extraordinaire.
Yes. So should I just color my hair to yours like now?
You're getting a bit ahead of the process. That's step 7. We're only on step 3 right now. By the way, I'm gonna need you to pay my invoice before we go to step 4. Dialogue training.
Yes.
Repeat after me. My mother makes marvelous mud cake.
My mother makes cake.
Yes, sort of. You're getting better every day. Well, you've learned a lot today, Mike.
Yes. Oh, but what was the cake?
Oh, we'll cover all of that again next week. Same time?
Okay.
Remember to pay that invoice too.
I might need a new coach.